Viewers and students, welcome to e-learning program. Today we are going to learn how to maintain payroll and salary sheet in Excel. So before start the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for get the notification about my next video. So first of all, today we are going to learn how to maintain a payroll and salary system. So very first things to know Excel, what is salary sheet? Salary sheet is a document that includes complete details of the amount payable to an employee for work done during a particular period, and it includes details like basic pay, allowances, deduction and overtime, etc. of that employee. A salary sheet or employee sheet is the payroll or human resource documents used to calculate the salaries of employee in any company. And salary sheet Excel template is a payroll document in which we can record payroll data or multiple employees along with the salary slips in Microsoft Excel, the prepared according to the Indian rules of employment, which includes the provident fund of the employee allowances. So that is the basics things of the salary sheet. Now look at that here, few points. So first, input the basic salary of an employee and find out DA 10% from the basic salary. The dearness allowance, find out 10% from the basic salary. After, find out HRA, house rent allowances. This is also 9.5%. Find out from the basic salary. Find out PF, that means provident fund, 12% from the basic salary. After, find out gross salary, that means all the payable things including gross salary. Find out the total deduction like EPF. EPF is a half of the PF, and LIC is also half of the EPF or half of the PF. Last, we calculate the net salary. So that is the basic things we are maintaining during the to create a salary sheet or payroll system. So don't delay, we are going to create a salary sheet. Now students, first we put here serial number. So we have right here is payroll. Now here name of an employee. Here write the basic salary. Okay, basic. Press Alt Enter and write here salary. Okay, then press tab, write here DA, that is dearness allowance. After HRA, house rent allowance, then use PF, provident fund. Now here gross salary, gross, and Alt Enter, press the Alt Enter and salary. After we have to add in EPF. Now like LIC, then total deduction. Okay, total deduction, Alt Enter, total deduction, DEDUC, okay. And last, you double click here, total deduction, and last is net salary. Okay, here you write net, and just we have to import the 10 employees name with the serial number. And after that we find out the basic operation we are performing. Now again this is the autofill option. So drag it, new 10 employees. Okay. So we have to write the names of the 10 employees. So first write the employee name, Johnny here. Okay. Next, well, Serena. Your second, Umesh. Third, Peter. Paul, Adams, Scott, John, Lowest employee is a man. Okay. So put the basic salary of an employee 5,000 here and 7,000 divides 9,000 and drag the mouse. So automatically salary will increase here. Now what's the find out GA from the basic salary 10%? So how to find out 10% GA from the basic salary? Very simple formula I will apply here just to see. So first here we press equal sign, click on the basic salary and find out the 10%. So into 10%. If you enter here, so that is our 10% is already came up. Otherwise, another formula equal basic salary into 10 divided 100. That also we can use here. Press enter and here you can drag also, and otherwise you can double click here. Okay. So automatically others employees DA will be calculated, and you can see here all these DA, all the employees DA as calculated here. Now find out HRA. What is the HRA? 7.5% from the basic salary. Same process, just you select your basic salary into 7.5 divided by 100. Press enter and here double click and after also that automatically calculated. PF provident fund, that is 13% from the basic salary. So select the basic salary into 13%, 13 divided by 100. Okay, now double click here and what is the gross salary? The total basics DA, HR and PF including a gross salary. So input here, you know how to find out the sum. Drag here to here. So that is our gross salary 6,525. This is the gross salary after adding basic salary, DA, HRA and PF. So we have find out the gross salary. And now what is the PF? I have already read the PF is half of PF is all the PF. So you write here PF divided by 2. It is a half of the PF. Similarly, double click here. LIC. LIC is half of the EPF. So select the EPF divided by 2. Okay. Now total deduction. What means a total deduction? Total deduction means we can add EPF and LIC. So first EPF plus LIC. Okay, that is the total deductions. And find out the net salary. How to find out the net salary? First of all, we have to give equal sign. Select the gross salary minus total deduction. Okay. So this is small salary sheet. I am prepared here. I hope you understand. And now what we'll do, I will just decorated our salary sheet. This looks like a better representation in Excel. So we'll just make the format. Okay, formatting here. First we have to add the first column here. That is the company name. Okay. Here to here we can choose it. And write this company name. Right here ABC. Private Limited. Next, column also introduced. Click on the mark cells and write here payroll system. Payroll system. This also you can add here. March center. Month of February 2020. Okay. And both column also merged here. This particular cell we can use it as a note. So we write here note. This is payroll systems or payroll slip. You can also use that payroll slip of month of February 2020. So I hope students you understand. Now we can decorate it here. This is the bold. Here now we can use it. Basic salary. Now we have to include bold with the color very okay. Here also you can select all the cells of the 10 employee and choose that okay and write here data, change the color. Now we can also add the borders around the selected cell. First click on that here and all borders. Click the bolts. Okay. Now it was very simple payroll system. Easy and looks like nice, I think. And I hope you also understand how to make a very small payroll system in Excel. It's very easy to create a salary sheet. You can also use that border, the outside border, and you can also use that wall borders. So thank you students for watching this video.